Hey guys, I'm Random Gaming and today in this video we'll be playing some Roblox. Well, we'll be playing Bee Swarm. So guys, some of you must be really good at this game, but I'm not that good. I'm just a normal guy who can just play Bee Swarm. So I have like these many pets. Let's see how much are they. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. I have 12 pets, so I can actually use that. Awesome. Okay, guys. Now, I have all the items from that shop. I have all the items from that shop right there. Okay, let's go climb this. Oh man, 1 minute. You need BC. No, I mean, you need to join the group. This requires BC. See? I mean, I can buy everything, but do I want to buy it? I don't know. So yeah, guys. So in this game, basically, you can get quests, you can get items, you can get badges, you can check your status, and then you can buy stuff from the shop. So guys, in this game, basically, you collect bees, make honey from pollen. That's all you do in this game. And as you can see, these yellow ones are epics. I have 4 epics. And the other ones are rare. I don't have any common. So I have this pulsar, which looks really good. So I'm gonna use the slingshot. Okay, I used it. Now, let's use the other slingshot out there. I think I can use it. Oh yeah, I can. That actually sends me to here. That's awesome. So guys, so today in this video, I'll be trying my best to get more bees as much as I can. So, let's start. I'm not afraid of those. Sometimes it just get hangs. Yeah. You collect all this stuff. Pineapple actually comes from the pineapple field. And there's tons of other fields too. If you have 10 bees, you can able to enter this area. I have 12 bees, so I can enter this area. Let's see what you can get from the shop. So I have this. This requires 650. This requires 500. A parachute you can use to glide down the mountain and reach new places. Press jump in the air to open. Okay, I have that, which is 40,000. 125,000. I don't have this. It's 300,000. Okay, that was 300,000. Honey storm? No way. Honey storm is basically a storm where you get all these honey tokens. You can be rich by that. Honey storms are awesome. I love honey storms. Give you random honey all the time. Okay, guess honey storms over. I just got a 16,000. Okay, so that's the honey storm. Now let's check out the shop right there. No. Yeah, that's a shop. That requires 650,000. That's $1 million. So we can't buy that. We might be able to buy this after we buy that electromagnet. We need to buy that and then buy that. Okay. It's not gonna be so hard since I have like 87,500 storage. Actually, it's not supposed to be so much because the last backpack just gives like 25,000 storage. I'm wondering how can this be so much? Because after you complete a certain amount of quests, guys, you get like new backpacks and like new stuff, like all these stuff you can get new. So this guy is a science bear. So we just talk to him. He already gave me a quest. Yeah? No, not this. This was this one. Yeah. Let's go to Cloverfield. That was helpful. Yeah, it was. So let's go to Clover. That's the... Wait, is it Clover? Yeah, that's a Cloverfield right there. So we need 20,000 honey from this field. And defeat 8 ladybugs. Okay. Not so hard. It's just 8. Hey guys, I have like these different types of bees. All the ones in color. The underscore that I don't have. I have that and that. This epic bee. Riley bee also. And also a shocker bee. Epic. I want a vicious bee. This is the last inventory. Maybe tabby bee? Let's just talk to that guy for now. Let's see what happens. Did you give me a quest or did you just... Looks like you haven't quite finished my quest. Okay, why am I jumping? You know, it's fine. Sometimes this glitches. Yes, level 5. Awesome. Cross the V advanced level 5. Quest receipt from Mushroom Field too. Where the heck is Mushroom Field? Don't even know where Mushroom Field in the first place. So many quests on that. Let's just do this guy's quest. Now let's just get 10,000 hits. Beat ladybugs. Easy. It's so easy. And guys, if you're not wondering, how did I get these so fast? Actually, I didn't. I went like, I just started like from Friday evening to like to this day, so till Saturday night, and I got all these stuff. It's not that easy. You just play it every single minute. And these pets also give you boosts. Like these are all the boosts I have right now. And I know they like go down. It's not there anymore. But these will stay forever unless you unequip them. Like 2 times speed. Guys, the last time before I finished the Brown Bros quest, I had like 81 storage. Now I have 87,000. No, yeah, I had 81,000. Now I have 87,000 storage. So it's actually good. So there's the real ladybug right there, I guess. Yeah, there it is. Hope there too. Is there the other one? Guess there's only one. You need to like wait for them to respawn. Though. Okay. Yeah, guys. So this one already right here. I actually like got it before. So what's wrong with it? That's a sounds good. Pixie boy. No, it's Pixie boy now. Pretty sure it'll get a rhino beetle. Okay, I one thing. The worst part is that there's a king beetle. They had to kill like every time. So you actually need to kill king beetle if he entered this area. I'm going to try to kill the king beetle, but it's not going to be easy. Need tons of pets. Need tons of pets. If you want to escape, you can just like climb this ladder right here and then go off. See? Your pets can go through walls. But is that a brown bee? Is it? No. So what quest do you need to do? 8 ladybugs. Yeah, but then... Yeah, I just forgot that. You get ladybug from Strawberry Field. Come on, yeah, there you are. Oh yeah, you get 2. Awesome. Okay, that's done. Need 250 stingers to climb it. 3 stingers. And so here's the one right here. Here's one. That. And if you need to go there, you can go there. I can't go there because I don't have 15 bees. But I have another way to go in. Yeah, I do. I can go in through another way by climbing these. Technically, front running, what does this have to do with anything? Just saying. But guys, literally this will work. See? See what? See? I'm in. That's the 15 area, see? I'm in. So you can just go there. So you need to like jump high. So you might need these equipment somewhere in. Not necessarily, but you might. Not sure. This guy gives me more stuff. But he probably has a lot bigger health. And gives you like 1,000 honey. That's awesome. And guys, this is royal jelly like right there on the top. I hope it's a royal jelly. No, it's a ticket. There's a royal jelly right there on the top 3. So I'll try to get that. No, not on level 6 mantis. Not another level 6 mantis. Unlike mantises, they're so manty. Okay. You might get stuck here, honestly. Okay, that sucks. I need to reset. You die and your movements recover at the heart. So whenever you die, you need to recover on the high though. Softer maybe recovers and make honey. Keep that recovered. Ready. Fire bee in that. Okay. I need to defeat one more ladybug. Oh, that's awesome. The moon orb's activated. I need to go there. Guys, if Teldo says it's just a new update on Moon that if you can get the moon amulet. If you like get 100 moon tokens. Complete them a circle to get one moon charm. It's not giving me honey like strawberry. And then in the middle it gives you that. Why are you giving me pineapple? This is strawberry fuel. Pineapple comes in the next area. And you need 10 bees. I don't know why they're giving me now though. Anyone can get these. Usually these go like after 5 and 10. Mostly after pineapple field. Most of the time they go at the pineapple field. Yeah, as I told you, you can just go like that. So there's a shop inside there, and it's really like it's hard to like buy something from the shop because it costs like too much. But if you try, it's not that hard. For some reason, I can't get above this. Guys, there's a new update on Mad City. It just happened this Saturday. No, it just happened. Yeah, it just happened on Saturday. Don't know if you're just thinking that the dog update, and if you didn't see the new update, I just want to tell you the new update. You have like 2 new cars and a minigun. In Man City, you get from red crates. One car is in the police garage, and the other one is actually like, and there's a parking lot in front of the criminal base, and one car is in the parking lot, criminal base. So make sure to check that out. Why can't I climb this? Is it because they updated or something? I mean, just flying and just like 5 minutes ago I climbed this. Almost had it. No! Oof, I almost had it. Well, they can also get pollen for you. But then if you do this, it's faster. Yeah, you're here, guys. So I'm gonna show you the shop right here. So like there's a shop you can like get stuff from. basically. What's this? That's fire mask. It's a part. That's collects 8 pollen from a line, 7 patches in 10.45 seconds. Collects times 2 for flowers. Second, like actually like enter through a portal. He was there. I'm gonna check there. Strawberry dispenser. What the? Wait, we got a quest? Did we? I don't know. Okay, where the heck is the translator? I don't know. The waterfall. I don't know where the translator. Top right be helpers. What? The strawberry. Okay, there's a strawberry right here. Just got it. You found the wrong jelly. Yay. That wasn't so hard. So what the heck is this translator? What's this? Red fuel booster. What's a red fuel booster? So many questions right now. So we just want to go to this field. Base. Okay, these are way fast. These are way faster. I have sprout. Basically, the sprout is, guys, if you want to know what it is. Basically, this like if you like complete all this health, this gives you a lot of stuff. And basically, like everything from the game. It might give you a royal jelly. Sometimes it does. As you can see, guys, I just have like 4 royal jellies. I don't use royal jellies a lot. Okay, maybe I do. Shocked, epic. Rascal, rare, awesome. Yeah, that's good, eh? Rascal, rare again. Bomberbee, rare. I just had a Bomberbee. Aww. I need red ones. I just got one red one, so let's just head over there. This is when you can like hatch your eggs. The egg usually has 181 calories. No, I'm actually like, yeah, I need one. I can just spend tickets and get those. Yeah, you can actually like spend tickets in one place to get those. I'm gonna show you real quick. It's there when it was a screenshot actually. So as you can see, I have like 37 tickets. I was saving up for 50 tickets to buy a golden egg. I don't know what golden egg does. Basically hatches and beans like. I can get this if I want. Done. Oh yeah, I have none. I don't have any more. So where was I? Right. So yeah, we got 3 raw jellies. Let's save them for later. Maybe let's just give one to Bumblebee. He needs it. Kobe, blue rare. Here's another. Red epic. That's what I call an entry. So I have like red and epic bees only over here. So let's actually like head over and get into the rare. We have discovered 5 new red bees. I don't know if we haven't. Maybe I should like get the glider soon. This is hard. The glider can do it like way easier. So like start digging in. I don't know what this does. So yeah guys. So you're gonna end the video. No, not really. I'm not gonna end this. Oof. Now I can enter, but then okay, this gives you treats. Basically, I'm gonna open shop. Gives you treats. Why is that stuck on my screen? Oh yeah. Gives you treats. You can get treats for honey. And then treats. You can actually like this guy can actually like increase the level. Like if you have such a number of bond, if you like level up. So let's go into the search key and see if we can. Times 3 strawberry field pollen. That's not so bad. Let's quickly load the strawberry field. This is another run gel dispenser. What was that? Never seen that before. Oh, there's bee attack. Probably some attack bee is just doing that. Okay, I really want to talk to Science Bear. Let's just go and talk to him then. That's because 4 blue bees. I don't know how blue or red. Can we use this again? No. Okay. I don't know what field is that, but it's probably some field. I want to use it all that. Awesome. 50% conversion rate. Well, basically the conversion rate is how how fast you can convert pollen to honey. So you got 50% more of it. So everybody starts with 100%. It keeps getting more and more. Let's look at this one. So this like basically activates like forever though. Awesome, collects all of that. So let's just go there. Slingshot. Oh, what was that? I honestly saw something up there. I saw like a ticket shop or something. Where the? These are basically like count drops. These increase in your pollination. Okay, let's just head on to this one. Just like really weird because a giant snail comes out of it. But giant snail just comes out of it. For some reason. Go get him, bees. I hope we can get him. This would be super harmful if it touches you. You like die in like 3-4 shots. And it takes a long time. It's talking about that one right there. What is that? Is that on the map? Actually, just I think this requires 15 bees area. So I'm gonna check that out later. Let's just like fill it. Backpack right now. Awesome. This bee takes forever. Let's just go. Yeah, let's just go. Collect basically everything the bees dropped. That counts. So don't need to actually go over to it, then collect it if you have so many bees. That's like useful. Okay guys, it's morning. So now let's just, okay, I'm gonna actually, black bear. I don't want to talk to them though. Just don't. Okay, you just give us 1,000 honey. That's useful. Let's buy a new bee. Oh, we have, yeah, we only have one, silly. just transfer into rare. It's not rare. Need more on roll. So yeah, let's hatch another bee. You buy them, then you get this basic egg. Place it right there. Common. I don't want a common. I hate commons. Blue rare, Kobe, static, a little bit better than the others. Sometimes blue spawn from blue flowers. You basically transform into a blue bee. I like red bees better, actually, because I basically have so many red bees. And epics. Like 1, 2, 3 epic red bees and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 rare. And in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 10 red bees. The rest are epic and blue bee. 12 basically. Yeah. So I think we're gonna end this video today, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I'll be bringing new tutorials and also stuff from the new games. So see you later on Random Gaming.